Hi there, students. Limbo. In limbo. If something is in limbo, it doesn't go forward and it doesn't go back. It's stuck in the middle of nowhere. Let me explain the origin to start with. Well, limbo comes from the Latin word limbus, the edge or the border. And this supposedly is the border between hell and heaven. And limbo is the waiting room where for people waiting to go to heaven. Okay? And it's the waiting room for dead people, yeah? Who maybe they haven't been baptized or there's something wrong with their visa to go to heaven. So limbo gives the idea of an in-between place. Limbo is a prolonged uncertainty, or maybe something that's been forgotten about or pushed aside. So my application has been in limbo for months. They neither accept it nor reject it. I can't get it to go forward, but they won't do anything about it. It's like it's been neglected. It's disregarded. It's in limbo. It's been forgotten, put aside forever. I don't know if you've seen a film called The Terminal with Tom Hanks. It's about an Eastern European who flies to the US because there has been a military coup in his country. And he's refused entry into the US, but he can't go back home because of the change of military regime. So he's in limbo in the airport. They won't let him immigrate into the United States, and he can't go back. So he's stuck in the middle, yeah? Put to one side forever. And this is the idea of in limbo. This project has been in limbo since the new owner bought the company. They won't scrap the project, but they won't progress the project either. My promotion at work seems to have been in limbo for months. They promised it to me months ago, but they don't seem to advance it. Human resources seems to be stuck. Personnel seems to be stuck. So something that's in limbo is in a state of neither fair fish nor foul. It can't go anywhere, or it's not going anywhere. It's stuck. So, your next question, how formal is this phrase, in limbo? I would say this is probably neutral formality. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation, and I think you could use it in a semi-formal and very formal context as well. So, something nice and flexible. Now, notice limbo also has another meaning. Have you ever seen a limbo dancer? It's this Caribbean dance where there is a bar and you put your head back and your body back and you go under the bar, yeah? Limbo dancing. And I think this comes from the word limber, meaning agile, lithe, supple, flexible. Okay, so a limbo dancer. He dances limbo. But I think the other phrase, in limbo, is much more common. So, limbo, a waiting room waiting to qualify to go to heaven, and that's Catholic theology. But in more common usage, in limbo, not being able to go forward and not being able to go back, not being told no, not being told yes, a prolonged period of uncertainty, something that seems to have been put to one side forever. Okay? So there you go, limbo. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Limbo.